Namaskar. Good evening. Celebrating birthday is a very important affair for anybody's life, any individual, any institution, any organization, or even for a nation. And exactly today, we are celebrating the 10th birthday of Ganga Zuari Academy. Formed in 2007 and launched by the then Governor of Goa, this Ganga Zuari Academy promotes the inclusive cultural growth in this fractured society. Basically, and I welcome you all to this 10th birthday anniversary of the Ganga Zuari Academy. Instead of forming any other linguistic associations, hundreds of linguistic associations are there in various parts of this country. The founder members of Ganga Zuari Academy thought that we should have an inclusive culture, right from Ganga from the east to the Zuari from the west, on the west. So the entire area, the cultural inclusion is needed, and that only can promote a social harmony. And basically that is the reason today you will have program on Hindi, on Urdu, on Bengali, English, Marathi, Konkani, all these things are being punched together in a very harmonious way. In fact, it is the time to emphasize on the harmony that exists between individual and the nature. We are losing it very fast. The earth, water, light, air, fruit, flower, etc. are not simple physical phenomena for use and throw, but these are the notes to complete the symphony of nature, of joy, of peace, of fulfillment. We must understand that the superiority of human being does not rest in power of possession, but in power of unison and empathy. Ganga Zuari promotes that philosophy. The Academy has 3 wings: fine arts, performing arts, and the dialogue. Details you can have from our website www.gangazuari.org. I remember the theme of one of those contemporary and socially connected dialogue session, how to develop a roadmap to make Goa a first world state. That was very hugely accepted, and we made a note also of that one, and the document was sent to the ministry, local ministry, how to make Goa a first world state, and in a very time limit, within short period. This evening we have with us 3 very excellent performers in their own fields. Dr. Rajendra Talak, a prolific filmmaker, is with us today, who basically introduced Konkani cinema to the world through a galaxy of films like Alisha, Antarnath, Savaria.com, O Maria, and latest one, The A Rainy Day, and bagged several national awards. Is with us. We also have here senior scientists and officers of the government of Bangladesh, probably to prove that culture does not have any boundary. Dr. Ashok Kumar Vishwas is the Director General of the Bangladesh Oceanographic Research Institute, BORI. It is located in a very scenic coastal place called Cox's Bazar, and presently leading a scientific delegation to India. We welcome you, sir, and your troop. Also with us today is the distinguished scientist and director of the National Institute of Oceanography, Professor Sunil Kumar Singh. I request the President of the Academy, Mr. Bimalendu Dey, and General Secretary, Mr. Amitabh Moitro, to escort Dr. Talak, Dr. Vishwas, and Professor Singh to the dais. I request Dr. Mr. Bimalendu Dev to welcome them with a bouquet of flowers. Mr. Rajendra Talak. To Amitabh Maitru. To Dr. Biswas, please. Photographer to this. And Mr. Dev to Dr. Singh. Any program starts with lighting of the lamp. May I request our dignitaries to please light the lamp and start the program. Thank you very much. Now we have a cake cutting ceremony, 10th anniversary of Gangazwari Academy. May I request all the three dignitaries to please cut the cake.
Good evening, respected dignitaries in the dais, in the auditorium, ladies and gentlemen. Please excuse me since I have to rush back to another inauguration in Margao and thus connected with Kokani Cinema. There's a premiere show. And if I don't attend, I think there will be tomorrow a lot of people shouting against ESG Vice Chairman because we are not supporting Kokani Cinema. So please excuse me in that case because I wanted to attend the program. There's a nice program I know going to be there. But extremely sorry, but some other time I'll be definitely attending the full session. I assure you, first time I am experiencing this cutting of cake for anniversary of any institution. Really nice thing, good. That shows the involvement of the members. Okay, so that's a good sign. I will just say one thing, one more important thing. See, I think this is my second or third time visit to this program of Ganga Zuari. See, since I am holding some important chair there in the Entertainment Society of Goa, which is connected with the films. So, new idea is coming to why can't we start a Ganga Zuari festival? The cinema from east to west. You take initiative, let us join together and have this festival with Entertainment Society of Goa and Ganga Zuari Academy in ESG. See, we have a lot of festivals we started. Right now, National Award winning film festival is going on. Various languages films have been. Similarly, European Film Festival is coming, German is coming, then Retro to Director, there is a festival. So you come out with some proposals so that we can continue this. This is a nice concept. Let it, see, you are playing important role in city of banking. Okay, don't restrict only to Donapala. Okay, Entertainment Society of Goa is with you. Let us plan now, from today. Once your program is done, I think you can exchange the ideas and come within a month. So this year itself, by December, we have Ganga Zuari Film Festival. Yeah, that will be, and I assure you full cooperation from my side. And please once again excuse me if I have to rush back to Margam, because I cannot say no to all these people. Okay, they are so good. Zuari Academy, this Ganga Zuari doing good job. Okay, and it's people like whatever support from us and from government can be given, we are always there. Thank you once again for inviting me. Thank you.
I think that is a great thing. Thank you very much for giving this proposal and idea, and we'll make it quickly. And Ganga Zuari Festival, it is exactly our term also plays with that we can bring the films of different places. May I request Dr. Biswas? He has come all the way from Bangladesh to say a few words.
শুভ সন্ধ্যা। আজকের এই অনুষ্ঠান সত্যিকার অর্থে একটা আনন্দঘন অনুষ্ঠান। আমরা সেই গঙ্গার অববাহিকায় পদ্মা নদীর পাড়ের দেশ থেকে এসেছি। এই বাংলাদেশ স্বাধীন হয়েছে 1971 সালে এবং সেই স্বাধীনতা যুদ্ধে আমরা সব থেকে ঘনিষ্ঠ সহযোগিতা পেয়েছি ভারতের কাছ থেকে। আজকের এই অনুষ্ঠানে এই সম্পর্কের কথা স্মরণ করতে খুবই ভালো লাগছে এবং আজকের এই গঙ্গা জুয়ারি তার 10 বছর পূর্তি অনুষ্ঠান নিশ্চিতভাবে সেই পূর্ব পশ্চিমকে একত্রিত করেছে, সেই গঙ্গা জোয়ারিকে একত্রিত করেছে এবং এই যে সংস্কৃতির স্রোতধারায় আমরা বলিয়ান হচ্ছি, নিশ্চিতভাবে আমরা এগিয়ে যাব সামনের দিকে। এবং বাংলাদেশ সরকার অত্যন্ত আশা নিয়ে ওশানোগ্রাফিক রিসার্চ ইনস্টিটিউট তৈরি করেছেন এবং এই ন্যাশনাল ওশানোগ্রাফিক ইনস্টিটিউট এটি তৈরি হয়েছে সে 1964 সালে। তারপর থেকে আজকে বিশ্বের কাছে একটি অনন্য প্রতিষ্ঠানে রূপান্তরিত হয়েছে এই প্রতিষ্ঠান। আমরা এসেছি সেই প্রতিষ্ঠানের কাছে অভিজ্ঞতা সংগ্রহের জন্য। আমরা অত্যন্ত আশাবাদী আজকের এই অনুষ্ঠানে আমরা যে সংযোগ স্থাপন করলাম, সম্পর্ক স্থাপন করলাম, এটি চিরস্থায়ী হবে। আগামীতে আমরা এগিয়ে যাব বাংলাদেশ এবং ভারতের সৌহার্দ্যপূর্ণ সম্পর্কের ভিত্তিতে। সো today we feel very proud to have this session to conduct our feelings, to express our ideas. So we need cooperation from you for a long time. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Biswas. And exactly the cooperation between Bangladesh and India should be strengthened further. This is an Oceanographic Institute where you have got all the experts from various divisions and all these things fields in under one roof, and you must take advantage of this one. And Officer Singh is there, we all are there. We'll be very happy to cooperate with you, to collaborate with you. Your students are also here from Bangladesh, Dhaka University students are doing PhD under TWAS CSR fellowship, and we are very happy with them. So this interaction should be continued at the professional level. That's absolutely fine. Thank you. I would like to have a few words from our director, Dr. Sunil Kumar Singh.
Namaskar, respected Talak ji, Dey Sahab, Vishwas ji, Mukhopadhyay ji, dear friends. It really gives me immense pleasure to be part of this Ganga Juari Academy. Actually, I was not at all aware of this academy. Once I was visiting Mukhopadhyay ji's room, and then I saw the name of this academy, and then he explained me what it is. I think it is really doing the national integration thing, right? Connecting or integrating the entire India, right from east to west and north to south. Because Ganga is flowing all the way. And now today you can see the Ganga is flowing completely in Juari. You can see the Bangladesh, which is one end of the Ganga. The people are coming and visiting on the 10th anniversary of the Ganga Juari Academy, really making it complete. Because now the complete Ganga and Juari is integrated. I think this is a very important and nice step in the direction when we talk the different culture, different society. As Mukhopadhyay ji was telling, linguistic society, when everything we are dividing the people, such type of effort in which we are talking about the integration, national integration, is very much welcoming. And you have seen that this is already completed 10 years of its existence. So I wish this academy very happy future. All the best. Thank you very much.
May I request now President Sahab to give a small memento from our side to all the dignitaries. Very small. Talak Sahab.
Thank you.
Gangazwari Academy, about the activities of Gangazwari will get in our website. But over the period of last 10 years, what we have done in that Goa Bengal festivals are very important for, I think, 4-day festivals. We had it not regularly because sponsors and all that problems are there. But at the same time, we have been doing this Goa Bengal festival for basically not Goa Bengal, Gangazwari festival means entire nation is coming into that one. And that has been going on for quite some time. Then we have got your special program on your Tagore, on Swami Vivekanand, then your other literary